Today, it's a big business of fixing cars. The price of the cars are so high nowadays that people want to keep their car. They want to get them well maintained. Information is easier to access nowadays with internet and AI and all those platforms. So yes, customers now want their car to be fixed, but they are more educated on it and they are going to challenge you on it. Mon nom c'est Christopher. Je suis directeur du centre auto chez Canadian Tire de Verdun. I did start in the retail side actually. After that, I started as a service advisor and then assistant manager and manager of stores. I think 1 or 2 weeks after starting working here, I noticed we're missing big equipment. We're missing an alignment machine on my point of view, because already at the point, you know, here in Montreal, in the winter, there's a lot of pothole, a lot of situation that can come up with tires and suspension and direction. And we already have hard time to provide alignment.
Parlez un peu de l'importance des ventes d'alignement et de pneus pour votre centre d'auto.
Donc pour nous, c'est vraiment important d'aller optimiser la vente de pneus, d'alignement. Ça fait partie de notre business. On travaille dans le domaine du pneu, on s'appelle Canadian Tire, donc c'est vraiment important pour nous d'aller optimiser ces ventes-là. En termes d'objectifs fixés vis-à-vis de l'année dernière, donc on parle de l'année passée de 6 % de nos bons de travail qui avaient un alignement sur le dossier, comparé à cette année à 31 %. Donc on parle d'une augmentation assez marquée qui nous classe présentement là, dans les meilleurs magasins au Canada. Donc pour nous, c'est vraiment une priorité d'aller travailler ça là, avec notre équipe. Equipment from Hunter on my side, it's a perfect match. Reliable equipment, great technology. Again, I was speaking about productivity. For me, those are all incentive to get with Hunter equipment and make my life easier at the end of the day. And I believe in Hunter, I always did. There's a lot of good companies in this world, but if you don't have after-sales service, why buying their product, right? So one of the main strengths that I found from Hunter is that the after-sales service is good. You need something, you call, you have an answer, you have a service. We can't stay with a car on the lift because it's broken for days, right? Customers are waiting for their cars, and Hunter provides us this service. Over the years, I built a special relationship with Frank. Frank is our service, but also on my point of view, the guy, it's my go-to guy. You know, I need anything, I need the new equipment, I need to fix something, I call Frank. Frank will refer me to anybody that will be able to help me out, but as a service point of view, I call him, he's there in a day or two, always try to help me out, make differences for me to be able to not be stuck with a broken equipment, which is pretty rare, honestly. Hunter equipment is reliable. I barely call for repairs, but you know, as long as I update every year for my equipment, Frank come to me. I don't even have to call Frank to get an update. He's gonna, hey Chris, it's time for an update. To have a successful garage, I think he has to, first of all, analyze his needs, right? And then I think sometimes you have to take some risk and try to improve yourself, right? So people are scared about spending money because they don't know if they're gonna get back investment on the money they will spend. But good formation, good equipment would lead on to success and to good money at the end of the day.